Hello friends, welcome back. Now we are going to make a flange in Solidworks. So let's start. Select front plane and make it normal. Select sketch. Now draw a circle. Choose circle and draw it. Keep the dimension of the circle 120 millimeter. Okay, now extrude it up to 15 millimeter. Select OK. Now select this face and make it normal and sketch. Again draw a circle here and keep the dimension of the circle 60 millimeter. Okay, now from feature again extrude it up to 25 millimeter. Now select OK. Again select this face and make it normal and sketch. Again draw a circle and keep the dimension of this circle 100 millimeter. Okay, now select this circle and make it construction geometry. Now select circle and draw a circle here and select dimension and keep the dimension of this circle 11 millimeter. Select OK. Choose feature, select extruded cart and through all. Select OK. Now we are going to create multiple number of patterns of this hole. So from here select circular pattern and select parameter this edge 360 degree, 8 patterns and equal spacing. Select OK. Now see our multiple number of patterns are ready. Now select this face and make it normal and sketch. Now choose circle and draw a circle here. Choose smart dimension and keep the dimension of this circle 35 millimeter. Select OK. From features choose extruded cut, direction through all. Choose OK. Now see our flange is almost ready. So here we are going to make thread. So from whole wizard select thread. At first need to select the thread location. So select this edge because we are going to make the thread from this edge. from int condition blind 25 millimeter, select metric tab, choose the size M68 into 6 and cut it. Now select OK. Now see, our thread are almost ready. So this is the flange. Now define some color, select appearance, and from here choose color, red, deep red, light red. Okay, now see, our flange is ready. So you can save it from here and edit the file name Flange, select rebuild and save the document. That's all. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to like, comment and share, and subscribe my channel to get more videos about SolidWorks. Thank you.